Hey Jason, this is Richard. Having the fact that our time zones are playing a little game with us and we cannot connect, I decided to record a small video in addition to the info I sent you in the email. So I'm gonna make a small demo having all the major features that we have updated and we have implemented now in Epic Spider. So here's the video. This is an Epic Spider, an SEO tool used for SEO audit of the websites. To begin working with an Epic Spider, you should enter your URL in this section, press start or press enter, and the spider is going to crawl the website. Before doing that, you can use the settings. You can change the number of threads you're going to use. Go to advanced and put some rules in here, like consider robots.txt, canonical, robot x robot tags. You can include virtual robots over here, scraping rules, user agent, different types, Safari, Chrome, even Baidu, restrictions, rules. There's unlimited type of rules. You can unlimited number of rules you can have while scanning. Exports are usually in two formats: is XLSX and CSV. The authentication feature is used for the website. It's for performing an audit for websites at the development stage. And proxies, you can put the list of proxies over here for very known reasons. And after we're done with settings, you just press start and the spider can do its job. So it's crawling the website. We have crawled URLs over here, how many are impending, and the average speed of URL scanned. And now the best thing that makes us stand among our competitors is our flexible parameters, which for example, you can take the parameters that you want to scan. As far as you can see, I selected 4 out of 55, which for example, the main competitors don't allow you to. They make you scan all 55, or I don't know how many they have. So just choose the parameters you want to scan, press start, and you're going to have reports only on the parameters you've chosen. With the flexibility of this feature gave the ability to one of our users to scan 9 million of pages using this flexibility. So it's one of the main features that we've got towards our competitors. Now I'm going to show you how to work with the segmentation, one of our non-obvious features. You see the dashboard right now is based upon the 7,540 pages crawled, and I, for example, want to work with the duplicate titles. I press duplicate titles. I use it as a segment, and I have all the dashboard reconstructed and reorganized only based on the issue that I have found over here. I press the duplicate titles. I see the issue severity on duplicate titles, the URL compliance, the response time of duplicate titles pages, and like that. Now I'm going to reset it. See, the dashboard has gone back, and I'm going to use the segmentation, for example, on site structure. We press site structure, and we, for example, are gonna choose the directory news. We press news, we get the URLs that contains news, and we use it as a segment. Now we get rid of everything else. We just stay with the news. We have the issue severity diagram pie chart only on the news part, and only the news part is going to be shown with the response time. So everything is based, all the dashboard and all the issues are based only on the news type. As far as your imagination is going to go, the further you can use our segmentation type. So working out with tables, one of the most pleasant feature that we have in our SEO tool is working with tables, which is pretty convenient and very, very comfortable. Here we go. The tables are located in all results section over here. We can see the table with the scanned URLs, which are approximately 6,000, and the table has all the parameters scanned by us, which are right now 44 out of 55. It's a long and unreadable table with all the parameters that have been scanned. For example, you want to take out some parameters that are not related to this table, you just press right click on this bluish part, and you just untick everything you want to take off. This is, for example, we're gonna take all the headings off. See, this line got bigger and they disappeared from here. You want to put them back, you can put them back. Okay, we're gonna untick them for now. So for example, you want to group the table using related to the issues that were found on the URLs. Just take the issues, hold them and drag them up, and the program is gonna regroup all the URLs with the numbers of issues found on them. See, that was quick. We have 813 items with 2 issues in them, 8 issues, 6, 9, 1, and so on. And it can be dragged back. See, very fast, very easy. The tables are bought from the leaders of the market, so we made sure that they are one of the best comparing to our competitors. So after we have scanned the website, and I use opera.com because it has a fast response time, I'm going to show you the issues, how we group our issues. So we group our issues by 3 categories. The most severe are errors, the less severe are warnings, and notices. We use notices that are, let's say it's just to simply notify you of potential threats on your website. So you always know where to start from. For example, if you don't know what a certain report means and you're not you're not sure how to fix it, don't worry. We at Epic Spider care about our users, and this is why we implemented a mini SEO encyclopedia inside our SEO Spider. So for example, we press on error, just a second, and we want to find duplicate titles, and now we can see the full report on what are duplicate titles. This is the target parameter, the thread that leads while having duplicate titles, how to fix those, how to fix the problem, and useful links. And for example, let's find another example. For example, we want to find the long server response time, and now we see the description. What is that? What is the thread and how to fix it? So as I said, you have a little encyclopedia inside our Netpeak Spider. As from my point of view, sounds very perfect, doesn't it? Now I'm going to tell you a little bit something about exporting our reports. We export our reports in 2 formats, in XLX6 and in CSV. If the newest feature that we have in 3.2 Netpeak Spider is the express audit of the optimization quality in PDF. When we have scanned our website, we can download this report from here. I'm going to show you how it's done. We can see it the way it looks, like that. Just a second, it's going to load. So we have the express audit of the optimization quality of our website, our date, and the content of the PDF file. All these contents are clickable. For example, if we want to see the issues that were found on the website during the scanning, we press issues, and the program drives us to the issues column. We have the errors, the most severe one, as I explained, the warnings, the notices. We go back. We want to see, for example, the status codes of the URLs. We see it over here. And on the bottom of our PDF file, we can even see the settings that were used to scan the website. For example, the analyzed data, the crawling restrictions, the general settings that were applied to the scanning website, and so on. Pretty and neat, let's say it like that. Close it. Another type of reports that we have over here, in Export tab, we have site structure. As I want to mention before, that before doing the site structure export, we have to scan the whole website 100%. Because if we do not do this, it's going to be inaccurate. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. Looks like that. So we export it in LibreOffice or in Excel file as you want. So to finally sum up all our advantages comparing to our competitors, I would like to start with rapid crawling speed, which you can control using our parameters, flexible ones where you can tick off and tick everything on what you want to scan. And by using an example that one of our users has been able to scan over 9,156 pages using our flexible parameters. Oops, just a second. We have a beautiful dashboard. We have reports with issues over here, which are broken into errors, warning, and notices. We have our encyclopedia over here with by telling you which problems are you facing, what how can you fix them, what threats do they bring, and useful links and unique features such as segmentation, parameters settings, as I said before, page rank calculation. And by the way, we have an online chat which give us the advantage towards our competitors. Hi Mark, there's Mark. We have an online chat that is available 9 to 5 GMT plus 2. You can type in your question over here and our customer supports are ready to answer in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed the mini demo that I've showed you right now. I really hope that you're gonna come to the long version of it, because we have so many cases on so many features to show you. In the meantime, it was a pleasure doing this video for you. If you have any questions, as I said before, just use our online chat, and you can even contact me using the LinkedIn or email, or I'm available at the telephones that we have in our website. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.